Hello, how are you doing today? Hope you are fine wherever you are. Welcome to Stukent Mimic Pro Simulation. And before we start, it's important if you can go and check the scenario. It's highlighted here. I say the goal here. Assignment is to reach a total revenue of 25k between all campaign, optimizing all campaign types and landing pages, answer 3 questions about digital marketing, redistribute 14 across all campaign types as needed. And then when you go inbox, you'll find some key information that is very necessary for you to make decisions. So it's very important if you can read it. And then for notification hub, you'll get those questions and you need to answer them. And if you get them correct, it's going to share with you why it's correct. And also if you get it wrong, it's going to share you which one will be correct. Alright, now when we go to the most important part, which is the keyword research and planning, you can remember we have 3 products. Remember, we are doing it from round 8, and this include American Dream Backpack, American Dream Messenger, and American Dream duffel bags. So that's why you can see we have created keywords for each of them, and from these keywords you'll see the monthly expected number of people who are going to search them, and then the competition level, and finally the bid or suggested bid depending on how other competitors were bidding in the previous rounds. So these are some of the keywords that we have collected, and you can see all of them in this case are related to backpack, and that's what we have here. And the fact that we have also duffel bags and also messenger, we have also collected some keywords for duffel bag. As you can see, the same like in the backpack, they have average monthly searches, competition levels, and also suggested bid. And finally for messenger, we also have the same, the keyword that we have selected, the average monthly searches, competition level, suggested bid, and also where we have assigned them. That's why we have the name of the list that we have created to house all of these keywords. So when you finish creating the keywords or finding those keywords, the next step is to create the landing page. And as you can see, in this case, we have the landing page. You can see for the American Dream Backpack, we have the page title, and then meta description with the timeless design, modern functionality. The American Dream Backpack is top choice. Let us see if we can get something much better. And we have whether you need safe carrier for your laptop or rugged backpack to tour Europe. The American Dream Backpack is for you. Backpack versatile as you are. Price match guarantee, limited lifetime warranty, designed for student and profession to help you succeed in all your daily endeavors. So which one is likely to be the most effective one? I say with timeless design and modern functionality, I believe this one is just okay. We'll leave like that. And then when you go here, you'll see it's going to share you to ask you to create the title, and here you can see we have selected Buhi American Dream Backpack. And then also for the description, we have used the ChatGPT to create for us, as you can see here. So you just go to ChatGPT, and then you include all the keywords that you have selected, as you can see here, and then you are asking it to create the description for us. That's all we have done in this case, and that's the result that we have created for it. As you can see here, this is the description. We have made sure that some of the top keywords are included in the description. Okay, let us go to the landing page for the next product, which is the messenger. And just like for the backpack, you can see again what we have selected. We have Buoy American Dream messenger bag. So for the meta description, with emphasis on comfort and functional design, the American Dream messenger is best for the business. Whether need modern business bag or functional features, the American Dream bag. Okay, message guarantee, price match guarantee, limited life time warranty, designed for daily adventure. I believe this one is very good for the meta description, so that's why we have changed to that one. And then again, using ChatGPT and selecting top keyword, you can see it has already created the messenger for us. You can see here we have selected some of the top keywords, and we have told the ChatGPT to write an engaging Google ad description with mentioned keywords, and here it already created for us the description. So okay, now you can see we have the description and everything And that's all we needed to do when it comes to the landing page for American Dream Messenger, and landing page activity American Dream Duffel. So for Dream, let us see which one will be the best option. Okay, so we do not want to be specific, and that's why we are not selecting Adventure Pro, Travel, or Custom. We were going to go with the Bui American Dream Buffel bag, so that we can give the buyer the option to customize them to their needs. And then for the description, with the emphasis on comfort and the American Dream Buffel bag is fun for favorite. Whether you need a durable gym bag or simple travel bag, the American Duffel bag is for you. Okay, I think this will be the best description or the meta description for this bag. So let us select that one. And then when you scroll down, again using ChatGPT, as you can see here, for Duffel bag, this is the prompt that we created. We just included the top keywords, and then we told the ChatGPT to write a Google description and include mention keywords, and this is the result. So we just copied this one and we take it to the description of the Duffel bag. Okay, so the description is there and then the title is here, and that's all we need to do. Okay, let us select buy now. It's more direct, and I believe it's going to bring better results. So we are selecting all of them, the buy now choice, because it's telling the customers to take action and buy this product. And then for merchant center, as the description described, this is mostly useful when you are going to create the shopping campaign. Therefore, it's because it's going to list some of these products and are going to include them in the shopping. And then for the campaigns, you can see the main campaign that we have created. There are these three. Backpack campaign, we also have Duffel and Messenger. So if you can just click and then go to edit, we'll see here we have the default CPP at $2, and the reason for this is because the average CPP has been close to that one. But okay, let us go to add group so that we can have a clear. All right, so let us start with the backpack so that you can see. Let us go to edit. Okay, starting with the shopping campaign, the first one, you can see the goal here was to select the negative keywords. So the selected negative keyword when it comes to, because we are targeting the backpack, and that's why you can see for negative keyword we are selecting the Duffels. So you can see these are the negative keyword that we have selected, because we do not want to target anything that is not for backpack. We are only targeting the backpacks, and that's why I have selected only the negative keywords, because we do not want the campaign to target those one. So we are saying if the searches are with any of those negative keyword, these ones that we have selected here, then the campaign should not include it. So that we are going only to focus on the backpack in these campaigns. And then when we go to the next one, let us see for the backpack campaign, we see the keyword that we have selected, and see we have only selected these keywords, and you can see for those that have the highest monthly average searches, we are trying to bid more because we want to get the best choices for those. And also for light travel backpack, you can see it has a very huge average monthly searches, and that's the reason why we are having this budget, despite the fact that the suggested bid is 0.64. we are actually almost doubling it so that we can get ourselves or our campaign to the best position so that we can maximize the output from it. And also can see the campaign that have the least amount or the lowest amount of searches. We're trying to minimize the budget because it's not that important. We only want to focus on those keywords that have the huge monthly searches, and also the competition level is not that much, where we are focusing mostly on the medium to low, and we are trying to limit ourselves from using the high competition level keywords because it's going to be very expensive for us to rank for those keywords. Okay, so when we go to display, so edit, you can see for display we want the campaign to target the home page, and also we have selected that the products that we're going to display are only for backpacks. So I don't know if let us see, we have display. Let us see, create the display ad. We have already created, so there's no need for us to create another one, but it's just direct. Don't worry about it, you can easily make one. And then for Dufel, let us see the selected keywords. So selected keyword, you can see we have only selected Dufel keyword or any keyword with the word Dufel. And when it comes to the bid amount, you can see we are trying to focus mostly on those search or keywords that have a huge amount of outcome, but at the same time we are focusing only on this whether it's highly it's very difficult to rank on it, or also it's very low to rank on it. And that's what you can see, despite these two having a very huge search volume and the budget or the previous suggested bid is about $2, we are only going for 2.7 because the competition level is very low. So we can easily get ourselves ranked in those keywords because of the level of competition is very low at a cheaper price. Okay, and then finally we have the messenger. So when we go to messenger, you can see for selected keyword, again you can see our bid is very close. For those that are medium, you can see our bid is very close to the suggested bid. But when it comes to those that have low but at the same time have a very significant average monthly searches, we are trying to be very competitive in our bid so that at least we can get to win those spaces compared to our competitors. So you can just check, we are trying to be to take about $1 per CPC and or less, because that I believe is a very competitive amount and also not very expensive. Okay, so that's all for ad group and campaign. You can go to other things. So for negative keyword, we have already talked about it, and also for the product, can see we are only focusing on this product that is a backpack, and that's why you can see all our negative keyword are trying to make sure that whenever a customer is searching for Dufel or messenger, they will not get to access our campaign. But if they search anything with backpack, they are going to be shown these product groups and also the campaign that we are running. So that's all we needed to do in this simulation. In case you have any question, kindly reach to us. We'll try to get back to you as soon as possible.